Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to explain you a way to move your contacts from iOS to Android. For Android it's necessary to have a Google account. If you don't have one, create one. Make sure your contacts are synced with Google. To do that, first on your iPhone go to Settings, then to Contact, then to Accounts. Second, tap your Gmail account, or if you haven't already, choose Add Account. Third, toggle contacts to the on position by tapping. Fourth, now your contacts and Google Contacts will sync. Fifth, ensure that you are using the same Google account on your Android smartphone. By doing this, you can be confident that your synced contacts will appear instantly in the Contacts app. And now for the transfer, we're going to use Google Drive. You can quickly move your contacts from an iPhone to an Android device for free using Google Drive. With this, you can move your entire address book in a single step. Here's how to go about it. Download the free Google Drive app on your iPhone and log in using your Google account. Toggle between settings and backup by tapping the menu icon in the app's top left corner. Toggle backup to Google Contacts here by selecting Contacts. You may also choose to enable calendar and photos and videos. Click Start Backup after tapping the back arrow. The backup process could take some time, depending on how much you are backing up. You need to open the Contacts app on your Android device after backup is finished to view any contacts. I hope this video has helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.